This is 2011 Alfa Romeo Giulietta driver side switch not working issue that we're trying to fix today. I mean, I can try and make it work, but it's a bit tricky, and I like it when it just works as it's supposed to do. Before I even do that, I'm gonna check the pins, make sure they're not bent, they're looking all right. I've got a few screws here, and off we go. It's just one clip at the front that I need to unclip, and thing will just come right off. I'm seeing some gunk on this thing, and maybe this is the root cause of the intermittent issue that we're having. The motherboard itself looks fine. The contacts are in place. Again, however, covered with gunk like this one. So I'm just going to scrape everything off, whatever I can. A bit stupid on my end to get this thing that sits directly on top of the motherboard wet, but I'll try and make this as dry as possible. I can still see some droplets on the bottom. The upper half looks brand new. So we're just gonna start putting things back together. So these pins may break or bend when you pull these stuff out of the car. So I just want to make sure they are seating properly before I flip things back in. So moment of truth. I mean, for it to lower down, it was never an issue. The idea is for it to come up as it's supposed to, which it does. So yeah, good news, I guess.